In this session, we will start new MobileFirst server and we'll create a new Cordova application. Then we will start connecting to the MobileFirst server. So we will create a new application that will ping MobileFirst server. So first thing first, we'll start the MobileFirst server. So here in the desktop, you can see that I have MobileFirst server, and I will open here my terminal. And you can see that my terminal has been opened to this. If you can see the directory, so I am into MobileFirst dev kit directory. So this is my MobileFirst standalone MobileFirst server. So now here you can see that you have lots of files. As you can see that you have cmd console.cmd, or here run.sh for Mac OS and run.cmd for Windows to start the server. So if you are on Mac, you can just write run.sh, and if you're on Windows, you can start server with run.cmd. Okay, so what I'll do is I will start run.sh. So /run.sh. I'll just press enter and the MobileFirst server will be starting. The next thing, I will open another terminal here. So I'll just open new terminal again. So I'll minimize this MobileFirst server console or terminal, I can say. So here, first, before getting Cordova application, I will check my node version. So because I'm using NVM node package manager, so I have multiple node version. As you can see here, NVM ls. So I have multiple node version. So I will start working with node 12.22.0, and currently I have node 16.4.2, the default one. So I'll move back to node version 12.22.0. I'll just use NVM use 12.22.0. So now if I will check here node -v, then you can see that I have node version 12.22.0. So we are good to go. If you can check here npm version, so that I have npm version 6.14.11. So next thing is we can check also which Cordova version we have installed. So I have installed Cordova -v. So I have installed Cordova 10.0.0. But if you do not have installed Cordova, you can just go ahead and you can install using npm install -g Cordova. So if you are facing any issue in Mac or Ubuntu, then you can just write sudo in front of npm and you can install it. But if you're on Windows, you do not need to write sudo. You can just write npm install -g Cordova. So since I have already installed Cordova, so I don't need to do that. So next thing, what we need is we need MobileFirst CLI. So to install MobileFirst CLI, you can use npm. I'll just clear the screen. So for MobileFirst CLI, basically you can install npm install -g mfp dev-cli. So using this command, you can install MobileFirst CLI in your system. Since I have already installed, so I'm not going to run it. I can just check that which version of MobileFirst CLI I have installed. So I'll just go with and I'll just run mfp dev -v. As you can see that I have installed MobileFirst 8. Okay, all the versions you can see here. So we are good to go. And already you can see that I have, so here you can see that already I have, I'm running the MobileFirst CLI. So we will open the MobileFirst console here, operational console. So you can see here localhost MobileFirst localhost :9080/mfp console. So this location you can open. So here you can see that MobileFirst operational console has been opened. So the default password is admin and admin. I'll just press enter. Okay, so MobileFirst server operational console is running here, up and running. We will come back to the MobileFirst here. We can come back to terminal. Now we will create a new Apache Cordova application. So I'll just move to desktop. On the desktop, we will create a new Cordova application. Cordova create ping server. Okay, Cordova create ping server, and we'll give a package ID. So I'll just give com dot, or I'll just give dev dot still learning. I will just make it bigger, and then I'll just give dot mfp example 1. Okay, and I'll just give the project name or application name as well, mfp ping. Okay, I'll just press enter. So this is a full command of Cordova. If you want to give, you can give the package ID and the application name here itself. So every time you do not need to change package ID in the config.xml. Okay, so here if I will click enter, then you can notice that we have created a new application here, ping server, and I'll just move to that application, cd.ping server, enter, and I'll open this application in Visual Studio Code. So code space dot. So here you can notice that we have application already we have opened the application in Visual Studio Code. So you can notice that we have one package.json where all the information of your project will be stored here. And the name of the project, name of the package, display, what name will be display when you will install the application, the version, the description, and the main file, script, everything is there, right? And the default plugin, whatever is installed here. Next thing, we have config.xml. So config.xml is a very crucial file here, where you can see the ID is your package ID. This package ID is really important because when you will create Android application and the application you will deploy on Google Play Store, then this ID will become your bundle ID in Android application, and that bundle ID will be the unique worldwide, okay, in Google Play Store. So you have to keep this very carefully, where you can give your company domain and another name you can give your project specific. So that is very crucial, and you have to keep that in certain way. And again, the version of your application, the name. Okay, so next file we have gitignore. Gitignore file you already aware of. This is used for GitHub. Whenever you will store your project on GitHub repository, then whatever file you will include in gitignore, this file will be getting ignored and will not upload to the Google in GitHub. So you can just maintain all this file name here. Next thing is www folder, where your web application will be. You will write, and you will always use, most of the time you will use www folder to maintain your code, right? So right now you can notice that we do not have any platform installed. So what we can do is we'll add a new platform here. I'll open new integrated terminal, and first thing what I'll do is I'll just add a new platform. So how to add a new platform? Cordova platform. Okay, so before going that, I'll just check my node version because I am opening a new terminal here. So as you can notice that I have opened node 16. So I'll just move back to node 12. So I'll just use nvm use 12.22.0, right? So now if I will check node version, then I am into 12.22.0, right? I'll just clear the screen. Then I will add new platform. So Cordova platform, add iOS. I'll use iOS right now. As you can see that some new node module file has been added, and one platform folder has been added, and here in platform folder iOS has been added. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to the folder wherever project is stored. In that, you have to double click on this file, mfpping.exe workspace, right? So your application will open in Xcode. Okay, or else what you can do is you can open here as well. I'll just clear the screen, and then I'll just write open, and open what? Open, go to platform, open platform / is / ping. So which file we need to write? We need to this one, right? Ping, mfp ping, right? mfp ping.xcw here, right? xcw workspace. This file we need to open. So just this, you have to write this command and press enter. So here you can notice that Xcode is opening. So let's open the Xcode. So here Xcode is opening, and you can notice that this application is ready now. We can select a simulator. So here you can click and you can see that all the simulator has been added. So I'll just go with iPhone 13 Pro. I'll select that, and application is getting indexing according to iPhone 13 Pro. Once it will done, then we will run the application. Okay, so now we'll click here the play button, and application will open in one simulator. Okay, so you can see here the Apache Cordova application is up and running in simulator. So let's add some code according to MobileFirst, and we'll ping the server.